framework aims at creating a shared understanding of pedagogic digital capability in the education sector and provide educators with a clear developmental pathway that will also map their level of competency while supporting them in developing further. The aim of this work is to improve the capability of practitioners in the sector to use digital technology to enhance the quality of teaching, learning and assessment. None of the existing frameworks have gained much traction in the further education sector, and the new framework aims to be different in three ways. First of all, by focusing on teaching and learning rather than simply applying technical skills. Secondly, by providing a comprehensive suite of online bite-sized training modules which can be accessed just in time from anywhere and any device. And thirdly, with the development of a badged recognition and reward structure. So the aim is not so much to measure teachers' digital skills, but to raise their awareness and understanding of how to embed learning technologies in their practice. We're not interested on how to support trainers in using specific tools. You can find that anywhere. Instead, we will be promoting enhanced and redefined teaching and learning experiences through new technologies. Technology advances, and more specifically the internet, facilitate a shift from thinking about teaching as providing information to thinking of learning and creating learning environments. And this in turn creates a relationship shift between the teachers and learners. The teacher's role is becoming the one really of a coach and facilitator, guiding learners to take ownership of learning through inquiries, interpretation, correlations and understanding. The framework must respond, of course, to the further education and training sector's needs and will be developed in collaboration with teachers, trainers, assessors and leaders to ensure it is relevant and adds value to their roles. Our development is aligned on a user-centered design process with 5 levels of stakeholders consultation. First of all, an advisory group where each of the sector's associations will have a representative to ensure their members' specific pathways within the sector will be contextualized in the framework. We have key informants, both academics and EdTech experts, teachers and trainers focus group to collect qualitative data, and a survey to facilitate a broader quantitative consultation. The framework only represents the first block to a wider project, and micro-learning modules will be mapped to the framework and sit on a responsive digital platform so that they are accessible just in time from anywhere and any device. The modules will also be certified via portable online badges, so each badge can be attached to social media profiles or CVs. Based on our 2018 National Training Needs Analysis, digital training is required by 59% of the responding institutions. The project will transform current approaches to vocational learning by providing on-demand access to high-quality digital training. This will transform how adults and young people learn in vocational context, unlocking the use of technologies to communicate, collaborate, access and interact with information.